Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to answer example 1. Okay, we start with natural number. Okay, natural number is a counting number. Okay, so as we can see over here, it's obviously 4. Okay, so let's put them in our list. Okay, so 4. Okay, we have done with that. Okay, next we want the question asking for whole number. Okay, whole number are natural numbers including 0. As you can see, the O inside whole is shaped like a 0. So let's see whether we have 0 in our list. Yes, we have over here 0 and 4. So let's put them in our list. So 0 and 4. Okay, and next integers. Integers are whole numbers, okay, including the negative. So let's see. So we already have 0 and 4. Okay, so this decimal is not included. This pi squared is not. 1.3 is not. 7 is not. We have minus 9 over here. So we can add minus 9 in our list. 9, 0 and 4. And then we can conclude lah. Okay, now let's see the next one, rational number. Okay, rational number, there are 4 or 3. There are 4 or 3 condition lah. The first one, it must be in a form of A over B. Okay, the second one, it can be A over B. Okay, and the third one, the decimal is repeating. Repeating. Oh, and number 4, the decimal is terminating. Okay, what does it mean by the decimal is repeating? For example, 1 over 3 is 0.3 dot dot dot. So the 3 here, this digit will keep on repeating at the back until whenever lah. Okay, so this is one example of repeating. And also we can write 1 over 3 as 0.3 bar. So this also another indication that it is repeating. Okay, how about decimal is terminating? What kind of example that we have? Okay, we have the example in our list already. Okay, for example, this one, 5.125125. So what does it mean by terminating? It means that the digit ends here. It doesn't have the 3 dots at the back. So this is one of our rational number. Sorry. So we can put them 5.125125. Okay. What else? Okay. What else? Let's have a look. 4. Is 4 A over B? No. Is 4 can be A over B? Can. Okay. How? 4 is equal to 4 over 1. So if a number can be written as a fraction, for example 1, our 4 in this case, therefore the number is rational. Okay, how about 0? 0 also can be 0 over 1. Also a rational number. Okay, this pi over 2 cannot. Okay, this one later I tell you why. Next one is 1 over 3. Okay, obviously it's a over B. So right away rational number. Okay, let's see square root of 7. No, it's not. Okay, how about negative 9? Yes, it is, because negative 9 is equals to negative 9 over 1. So it's rational. Okay, so we have done with our list of rational numbers. Okay, let me rub everything off. Okay, now next one, irrational number. Okay, irrational number are the numbers that are not meet the conditions of rational number. Okay, so from our list, we already decided 9 minus 9, 1 over 3, 0, 4, 5.125125 as our rational number. So the one that I didn't take are irrational number. So the number are 7 and pi squared. Okay. So actually, okay, there are so many irrational numbers. Okay, but some of them has a special properties. For example, the constant of E. Okay, this is also known as Euler's number. You can Google it. It's something like 2.6 something. I forgot. I forgot the decimal. But this number doesn't meet the criteria of rational number. And the second one is pi. Okay, the one that we usually see is 3.142. Okay, this is only the approximation of pi. Okay, it is not pi. Okay, if it's pi, then it should be 19 something something something. The digit, there are so many digit at the back. Okay, and the digit still there's still some digit at the back, so many digit. Okay, so we cannot put a stop, so it's not terminating. This is the real definition of pi. Okay, it must have the 3 dot at the back. If you claim 3142 as a pi, it means that we only assume, okay, we only the closest approximation of it. Another value is 2.22 over 7. This is another approximation. I repeat, only approximation of pi. It is not pi exactly. Okay, and the next one are the square root of non perfect square. Perfect square numbers. Okay, what does it mean by non-perfect square numbers? Okay, perfect square means the number that you if you have counting numbers, okay, you use your calculator and then you square each of the number, natural number, you will get the smallest one is 2 pula 4. Okay, 4, we have 9, we have 16, we have 25, we have 36, we have 47, we have 64, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, correct, 81 and 100. So this is the first 9. Okay, the first 9 of them. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 9. Okay, these are the first 9 of perfect square. Okay, so if we take the square root of each of this one, we will get natural number. But if we take square root of 3, for example, okay, or maybe, or rather, the one from the example here lah, square root 7, right? So 3 and 7 are not perfect square. So the number that we expect is what we call irrational, because it should be like a very long decimal. Okay, and the decimal doesn't end, non-terminating and not repeating. So that's the problem. Yeah. Okay, next, last but not least, real number. Okay, maybe if you very difficult to write this kind of maybe you can write like this. So have 2 straight line and then you do the like this. Better. Okay, now what are real numbers? Real numbers are all the numbers inside set S over here. So just copy paste everything. Real number are the union of rational and irrational. So might as well copy everything inside this list. So pi squared 0, 4, 5.125125. Okay, so that's it. How to answer example 1. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.